International home healthcare products and services. With the number of people 65 years and older doubling worldwide, and the increasing desire among seniors to stay in the comfort of their own homes as they age, the demand for trustworthy care providers is sure to increase. Home healthcare services dominated the overall market, accounting for 85% of global revenue in 2013. Some of the factors driving the market growth are growing health awareness, improving standards of living, increase in per capita of income of people, packaging innovation, and technological developments for better results. Home care is a much more affordable option than typical hospital stay and typical nursing home stay options. Rather than taking the elderly or sick out of their home for appointments, the home care industry can bring many of those to the person. This provides a convenient route to getting people the assistance they need. The more people that choose home healthcare options for their family members, the higher the demand will be for home healthcare products and devices. Home care aid organizations provide non-medical personal care support with activities of daily living, such as meal preparation, bathing, and dressing. Services may include housekeeping, transportation, assistance with handling finances, and companionship. They employ caregivers, which may be certified nurse assistants or certified home health aides. They often accept private pay or private health insurance. The global home care products market experienced substantial growth over the last 5 years and is expected to grow moderately over the next 5 years. Growth in this region is expected mainly in the developing markets such as India and China due to increased high retail sales growth. Some of the challenges for the international home care industry are economic recession, resource constraints, climate impacts, and political instability. Maintaining balance between quality and price is the biggest challenge for the industry. Above all, emerging markets need to focus on cost effectiveness and scalability to meet high patient volumes. The Asian market for home healthcare products and services has a double-digit annual growth rate. The Asian healthcare device market segment alone is expanding especially quickly and will reach $15 billion this year from $2 billion in 2012. Lifestyle differences between the US and Asian countries should be considered when exporting and marketing medical device products in Asia. For example, Japanese houses are much smaller and have narrow doorways, so the size of the products should be reduced accordingly. Japan is one of the most rapidly aging countries. By 2025, 36% of Japanese will be over the age of 60. Japan has several government programs promoting the expansion of IT and healthcare through increased health record access and home healthcare quality. Medical devices such as blood pressure monitors and cardiographs can be marketed for home use, and the information can be sent to the patient's hospital or clinic. In China, there is a strong cultural tradition of caring for the elderly at home. The Chinese government in 2012 announced that it would promote home health care as the main strategy to care for the growing elderly population. There are 85 million disabled people in China and 75% that require assistive devices. Many countries have aging populations that are increasingly wealthy and are able to afford home healthcare treatment that is often more cost-effective than hospital stays. Many of the countries mentioned have a culture of caring for the elderly in their own relatives' homes, further accelerating the demand for home care products. Due to a shortage of qualified health professionals and a lack of home care doctor availability, home care products that are easy for the patient to use are in high demand. A lack of trained doctors, nurses, and assistants in some fields provides good opportunities for medical device makers to provide easy-to-use devices for home care. The international market for home care products is growing significantly due to increasing adoption of this trend in developing countries, and is expected an increase in demand in developing countries in the near future due to the growing awareness about home care services.